Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Market and Holly update for Monday, June the 11th. Well, let's go ahead and jump right in here and see how these markets did today. First, we'll start with the Qs, and you can see it was a pretty low volume day. We did have some gains here, nothing real major. The big thing is going to be to get back above these new highs that we set here last week. So far looking real good there. Quick look at GLD, and you can see we have a nice green candle there. Low volume, but on the upswing just a little bit there. IWM, we've got that inside bar formation going, and same thing here with these recent highs. We're going to just need to get back above there and go on to new highs from here, but looking real good there as well. The spiders, a little bit of a topping tail here. We've got this resistance here we're trying to get through, and you can see here we kind of tapped it here, and now it's going to be important for us to go up here, not only tap it, but get to the other side of it, and then come back and retest it. So the spiders are getting interesting, but yet still a lot of trend in their favor. So we'll see what happens there. Same thing is going on with the Dow. We've got a couple of previous levels of resistance here we're going to have to get through. A little bit of a doji candle. With all the days up in a row we've had, nothing to worry about there. From what I can see, we did have the bullish engulfing candle here that technically triggered, even though we did pull back a little bit from highs. But once again, I think looking good unless something really spooks this market. The IBB, not too much happening here. A little indecision candle on some higher volume, though. You can see here we did have a little bit above average volume than what we've been having here as of late. And the TLT, the candle, even though it's showing green, actually closed lower than what Friday's candle did. So that's what we're looking like on the markets. Now, as you know, this is our Trade of the Week day. Monday, we always get our Trade of the Week at 9 a.m., those that have signed up for it, and you can sign up for it right here. Here's the link to it, which will be in the YouTube video. You can just go to the comment section and copy that, paste it in there. But if you sign up, it is no charge. Sorry about that. Too many businesses going on at one time and phones going crazy. But we were talking here, the TLT, even though it was a green candle, pulled back. And I apologize. We're actually talking about our Trade of the Week. And our Trade of the Week this week is X, United States Steel. Okay. And the Trade of the Week, its trigger is 37.81. The stop is down at $34.15, and our target is at $45. Let's take a look and see what happened. And you can see we got up here, and we just triggered, but then we pulled back. So, some people may or may not have gotten in it based on that trigger, but technically it is triggered and it is active. So, we will follow that and see how it does. Shack was our Trade of the Week last week, and we'll bring that back in. Just to remind you, our trigger was at 60.61, our stop's down at 55.87, and our target is at $70. And so you can see we had a pretty sizable pullback today, down to 62.64, and it was up 65.20. So I would imagine most people may have taken a little bit of a profit from that were in it from the start. So we'll see if they continue or not. Microsoft, that's still looking good, and XHB is still looking good as well. So that is our Trade of the Week. Now we're going to go ahead and get into Holly real fast, and I've kind of reworked that just a little bit for you too. Our Holly Grail had 12 trades, a profit of 72 cents, risk on profit for a loss of 90 cents. And these are the trades. They're sorted by profit. Okay, so you can see here we only had one short trade, and it was the second worst for her. The float on was the highest level of profit, and we can go on here, and I would encourage you. You can look at the video there and pull them up on whatever trading system you have. But if you have the trade ideas, you can go in here and you can click on them, and you can see, for example, on this DCPH, you can see exactly where the buy signal was, and then you can see here where she sold it, and then see what happened afterwards. So just a lot of stuff built into these charts. The blue would indicate that it's in the money, so anything blue is in the money. So there you have that. And if we take a look at the Holly 2.0, and I'll bring my Excel spreadsheet back up, and in the Holly 2.0, 91 cent profit, 90-cent loss on the risk on. And once again, you can see here all long trades except for one, and the biggest loser was the short trade. And then if we go on to the Holly Neo, she had 22 trades there, 89-cent profit, and risk on profit of 13 cents. And so if we tally that all up, Holly had 46 total trades today for a profit of $2.52. On the risk on side, she did lose $1.67. And I would invite you to go ahead and follow our blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, I'd appreciate your going ahead, hitting this thumbs up, and sharing it with some of your friends and like-minded people. And also, if it's the first time you've seen this video, go ahead and feel free to hit that subscribe button at the bottom right of your screen there. And I want to thank you for watching and listening, and God bless.